How to post photos on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can post photos on TikTok. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your preferred account. So once you're logged in, you will land on your home page. Navigate to the plus icon from the bottom of this interface. That will land you on the recording page. Now to post photos, tap on the photo at your right hand side at the bottom corner. Now that will take you to your gallery. So from your gallery, you have to select the photos that you wish to upload. You can select multiple pictures. Once you're done selecting your photos, then tap on next. Now you will land on this editing piece here. As you can see, TikTok have already created the slideshow for your pictures. If you want to edit your pictures more, you can tap on all of these options available on your right hand side. If you want to add filters, go with the filters option and then select the filters that you want. If you want to add text or stickers, you can also do that. If you wish to add music, tap on the music at the top and then select the music that you want to add. Once you're done editing your photos, tap on next. Now finally, you can add a caption or description to your pictures, and there are further settings that you can adjust as well. Once you're done, simply tap on post and this picture will be posted on your TikTok account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.